Hey, it's me, SteveWB, and welcome back to my channel. And today I have a double unboxing for you. And these two items that we're going to unbox are going to be the Freewell wide-angle lens for the DJI Osmo Pocket. And then we're going to open this Lavalier microphone, which is for the Rode Wireless Go. This is for the Rode Wireless Go that I just got. It's going to be the lav mic that I'm going to plug into it and try to use it. Without any further delay, let's open these two items up. Okay, so the first one that we're going to open up is going to be the wide-angle lens made by Freewell for your DJI Osmo Pocket. And this lens costs $35 compared to $11 for the Ulanzi. But what this lens is supposed to do is it eliminates the warpage and the blur on the outer edges of your frame, as to where the Ulanzi has a little bit of warping and some blurring on the outer edges. So let's go ahead and open this up. Ain't no telling what that is. Then here is your actual lens. It comes in a holder capable of holding 4 different lenses. And then this is the actual lens itself. I have the Ulanzi lens and I've been using it for a while, and this one has a much thicker profile, I don't know if it will focus or not, than what the Ulanzi actually had. And let's see what's in this little envelope here. You get a black and a white Freewell sticker. You get a Freewell limited warranty card. You get a QR code on a card that says video tutorials. And then you get the installation instructions on another little card. And then you get a filter guide. And it just goes over the different types of filters that they have and that they offer, just to try to upsell you to more filters for your Osmo Pocket. Pretty cool little kit. Hopefully, you know, the value doesn't come with what's inside of here. The value comes from how well this little lens is going to perform. And we will be testing this and comparing this to the Ulanzi wide-angle lens in an upcoming video. So let's move all this stuff out the way. And now we have the Knox Lavalier microphone. I did not pick out this brand. This came with my Rode Wireless Go microphone. I bought it as a package deal. Whatever seller was selling that microphone offered this mic basically for free with the Wireless Go. So let's go ahead and open it up and see what all we get in here. Oh, it's powered. Comes with a battery. That's going to be a pain in the butt. Silica crystals. Alright, let's see if we can get this open. Alright, so in the first little package you have the your 3.5mm plug, and then you have the larger plug if you're hooking into a larger setup. We're not going to need that. It's just an adapter to go from 3.5mm, and I forgot the actual measurement of this one. I never use it, so it doesn't really matter. And then this is the actual mic itself. It's got a little clip here where it looks like clipping on your belt or whatever, and then this would run up under your shirt or outside your shirt up to your lapel, or you know, your collar. And this is just how much cord. And my first thoughts on this is a lot of cord. I mean, how much cord do you need? I mean, that's like freaking 15 foot of cord. I'm only 6 foot tall. Oh well, back to what's in the box. You have your, which is a nice all metal construction. This is a little clip that your microphone clips onto. There, your microphone clips on that. And then this would clip on your shirt or wherever you're mounting your microphone. It comes with a tiny little mini wind blocker. I actually have some like little mini dead cats that I'm going to end up putting on here. But I've found that the foam ones work actually pretty well. Now if the wind's high, of course it doesn't work that great, but whatever. And then you get the battery for the unit itself, for the microphone. And this is a LR44 battery. And let's see if we can figure out how this thing installs. Okay. So this just unscrews, and that's actually an extra battery. It comes with a preloaded battery inside. You just pop that one out and slide the new one in if that battery dies. This is everything that you get in the Knox Gear lavalier microphone. Alright, so that was a rather quick unboxing. We just opened up the lavalier mic with a 40-foot of cord, and then the Freewell wide angle lens, and all this stuff I'm going to do videos on that I'm going to be testing. I just am right now trying to separate my unboxing and my testing videos because I am trying to put up daily videos. You know, I don't want to burn through all my content too quick. I've done a lot of unboxings this week, you know, like I have the GoPro 8 now, and like upcoming I'm going to be comparing the Osmo Pocket to the GoPro 8. I'm going to be comparing the Ulanzi lens to the Freewell lens. I'm going to be doing a full review of the wireless Go setup with the built-in mic, with a lavalier mic, and you know, just different setups with that. And I'm also going to be testing the Hero 8 Black Media Mod, you know, with a shotgun mic like Rode Video mic, and with the Rode Wireless Go. And I'm going to be testing it with my Comica powered mic, which is like this long, and just different setups to see what kind of sound we can get out of that GoPro Media Mod kit. So there's a lot of stuff to look forward to. I have a lot of more review stuff to do, so this is going to probably be the last unboxing for, I don't know, a week or two at least, but we have other great content to look forward to. Okay, so with all that being said, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you like my channel, please subscribe. I'm SteveWB, and I'm out.